Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to move and fix images permanently in Word. So guys, in order for you to do that, as you can see, I have here our logo as an example. So in order for you to move and fix images permanently in Word, just simply select the picture. And now you should be able to see this icon over here, which is the layout options. And from here, you should be able to see here text in front of text. So click on this. And after that, guys, you should be able to move it. And as you can see, you should be able to move it freely over here. And when you click on this, you should have here an option as well to fix position on a page. And from there, it will not be removed and it will not be adjusted when you are typing. So guys, pretty much just click this icon and you should be able to see all of the available options to your picture. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.